Do you use Pinterest to find art reference? Well, I do, and I find a lot of good art reference for my art studies and drawings. But sometimes it's hard to find the exact reference I was thinking about in my head. So here are 3 tips on finding specific art reference and using the vast amount of reference more efficiently on Pinterest. Tip number 1. I don't try to find the right search words. I find reference through related images. If you click on a reference image and scroll down, there are images related to the image you clicked. You can see them under the words, more to explore. Pretty catchy. What I'm basically doing is I'm finding reference with images. When searching for reference, instead of inputting words on the search bar, think of it as inputting an image on the search bar. This way I can demand what I want more specifically with images rather than words, because images convey more information. As it's hard to explain a certain image in words, it's hard to demand an image with mere search words. So if you want a specific reference, click on a similar image and narrow down, demanding Pinterest for the precise reference through related images. But if you still want to know what I type in my search bar, here's a few search words I often use. Tip number 2. Never spend more than 30 minutes on Pinterest. I know this might not sound like a tip, but trust me on this. Even if I have found a decent reference, I find myself keep scrolling in hopes of finding a better one. Let me tell you this off experience, you can if you're lucky, but it will take you hours. And after searching for hours, you won't have the energy to draw. And in the worst case scenario, you won't find anything better than what you found under 30 minutes, wasting time and energy. So check the time you started searching and time yourself so you don't fall into the loop of endless reference searching, and get rid of the desire of finding better reference. 30 minutes is enough. Tip number 3. I don't save images to my profile. Saving an image can make Pinterest repeatedly show similar content every now and then. One time Emma Watson strangely kept popping up in my feed every few images. Later on I found out I had accidentally saved an image of her on my Pinterest account. That said a lot. So for me personally, I don't save images because I don't want to limit my Pinterest algorithm. If the image is too good, I just open the image on a new tab by right-clicking the image and clicking Open Link in New Tab. I can use this new tab for reference or find more related reference images from here. Bonus tip, I try not to check my Pinterest home feed for too long. It's fun and addicting because it's the complete algorithm I created, but I only look through the search feed when I take breaks to cool my mind. Just a few scrolls. I don't find art reference to draw on the home feed, but just for rest or brief sparks of inspiration. No more than 2 minutes, or again, you'll fall into the loop of endless corruption. If there are any Pinterest reference finding tips you guys want to share, tell me in the comments below. Also, thank you guys so much for helping me reach 1K subscribers. This is crazy. Thank you all for the love. I will repay with better content. Anyways, have fun finding reference more efficiently, and let's get better together, guys. Take it easy.